Jodito e sekta mopogore owuok oko mar kwedo jende wi midhiero mag akwede makit chwech mamedore e kaunti ma Kisii. Ma biro kaluwore kod kwan mamalo mamedore mag akwede makoro sani osechopo 43% e kauntino, ka jodito mawuok e kuonde tiegruok mopogore mag lwedo e kauntino pod medo nyiso ojende mondo were kod timbe mag akweda makamago. Gijiwo jogo makadhe midhierogo ni mondo go lipot e wang' sa mar mondo mi okaw ndamo mager ne jogo matimo timbego.
Coming in number 3 after Meru.
We're looking at the modalities or ways of developing action plans for institutionalizing anti-GBV platforms in the various higher learning institutions that we have. So for this month, in the Muungano Gender Project, we always host advocacy and awareness forums that are held on a monthly basis. So for this month of October, we targeted having the young people only forums, which are mostly in high learning institutions and secondary schools.
So my role has been highlighting those channels of help that there are, and also speaking to the effects of gender-based violence issues that there are when someone goes through this experience. For instance, in Kisii, we stand at 43% in intimate partner violence. That means close to half of relationships that there are in our community here have issues to do with gender-based violence.
I would like also to appeal for